the tax manager for ATASP, and I have read a lot about ATASP previously, but this is my first time of having a field visit here. Now, over here, we have looked at some of the infrastructure that ATASP has developed. We looked at the bridge that was done. We also looked at the irrigation canals that were constructed, and we have also seen the market that was also developed over here. All of them are about 100% complete. We saw that the bridge has been very useful in that the bridge, as has been done, has allowed the movement of persons and the movement of produce, also from the community to the farms and from the farm to the community. So I think that is a very interesting and very useful intervention by ATASP. We were told about how they tried to cut their rice at a cost of about 1,500 naira a bag using a canoe, and now they'll be able to use trucks to cut them. And I think this, to me, is good, and it's going to help the farmers to be able to encourage them to be able to expand their production. We saw the irrigation canal, yes, water in the canal, yes, and then they are saying that they are going to use it for these rices. Our hope is that these rices, they will be able to optimize the use of the water for irrigation. And what again is useful for us is the fact that they've introduced various rice varieties that are high yielding. So once they're able to have water and they're able to have high yielding rice, and even they had some support from nuts previously. And these things, we expect them to be able to help them to be able to have a lot more wealth in their from the village, from the communities where they are. Then in the market here, yes, we are happy to see the market structures completed. I'm also happy to see some value addition equipment. We have got the stoners here and harvests that are being used to support the rice that is being produced with this equipment over here. I think that maybe if they had electricity that was connected to the grid and it was more reliable, it may have been better than having the generators, but albeit they are using the generators, and I think that it's quite effective, but we can also have it becoming more efficient. There are other structures that they are yet to occupy, and then we are looking forward to them occupying all these structures and they use them. So generally, my impression is that ATASP has done its part of it in putting these assets on ground, and then what is expected for the community and the users for them to have ownership of this, use them sustainably, and make wealth and create jobs. This is, I think, my general impression.